I will try fixing the refrigerator hole in this freezer evaporator, but I don't know how it leaked. The customer said it got leaked itself, as the refrigerant had also leaked out of this refrigerator. Other than this, the pipe coils of the freezer have been bent from many places in the freezer. Some coils are bent more than others. I will also try to fix these coils and try to make them bulge to their proper shape. Before fixing the evaporator hole and coils, I will check whether the compressor is working fine or not. The owner of this refrigerator told me that the refrigerator didn't cool before the refrigerant leaked. So checking the compressor is important. I will turn on the electricity switch as I have plugged the electric plug into the socket. The compressor initially started at 2 amperes and then came down to 1.3 amperes. I have also attached a clamp meter with the compressor wires. It is showing 1.08 amperes on the clamp meter. The condenser of this refrigerator will not heat up as it has no refrigerant inside the refrigerator. The compressor is not taking high amperes, so the compressor is fine. This refrigerator was kept in a place where there were rats. I will clean all this rat garbage and then work on this refrigerator. Now, as you saw, I have cut the discharge and the suction pipe. I am separating its capillary. I am also removing this filter from the refrigerator as I will replace it with a new one. To make the freezer deformed coils back to their original shape, I have attached the pressure gauge with a suction pipe. And I have attached this other pipe with capillary. Now let me make you understand what I will do next. Now I have set the tool for making the freezer coils return back to their original shape. I have attached the nitrogen gas cylinder with the capillary tube. And see, Daniel is helping me with this work. He will operate the cylinder. First of all, I will heat up these freezer coils, so that they can get back to their shape properly. The pipes have quite heated from here. Now Daniel will open the pressure of the nitrogen. But I am guiding him to open the nitrogen valve slowly. Almost 250 psi nitrogen pressure is passed inside the evaporator. But the pressure gauge needle is moving down. Now I have released the remaining pressure in the gauge. It means that the evaporator has a leak from another area in the evaporator. That is why the pressure was not staying. I will heat it once more. The pressure didn't pass from here on the freezer evaporator coils. I have told Daniel to pass nitrogen gas again through the evaporator. I think the pipe has blasted or what? I could hear the sound of the gas leak as I passed nitrogen again through the evaporator. The fridge evaporator is also leaking. The pressure didn't pass through these pipe coils of the freezer. I think the capillary tube has been blasted somewhere inside the refrigerator. Now I have tilted the fridge evaporator upward. And I have investigated its pipes. Now I could not find the leak area of the evaporator. All the pipes seem to be fine. The internal joints of the pipe might have a problem, or the capillary from this point has been separated. That is why the pressure didn't pass through the freezer coils. So we have failed to fix it. So I will change both the evaporators of this refrigerator, and I am sure that this refrigerator will start working fine. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next video. And subscribe. It's free. Thank you.